Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with slightly damp hair because it holds shape without frizz. Once done, detangle and divide into 1-to-1. 5-inch horizontal sections. Take a mesh curler, open it, place hair ends inside so the fabric grips, then roll up smoothly toward the scalp, tight but comfortable, to create tension that sets a defined curl. Make sure to secure each curler with the provided pin or clamp. This prevents loosening while you complete the rest of your head. Once you've rolled all sections, add product. A light setting spray or mousse gives structure and reduces frizz, so spray each curler lightly. If you want faster setting, apply gentle heat with a blow dryer for about 10 to 12 seconds per curler, moving continuously. This helps protein bonds reform for longer-lasting curls. After heat, let everything cool fully. Cooling is key because it seals the curl's shape, so be patient and avoid touching curlers. You'll finish by unrolling each mesh curler gently from the root toward the tip. Once unrolled, cup the curl in your hand to let it cool again briefly, then separate with fingers for natural volume. Avoid combing. Make sure to smooth a drop of oil or serum on the ends to add shine and tame flyaways. If a curl fell flat, don't panic. Re-roll the affected section on damp hair or apply focused heat for 6 to 8 seconds and let it cool to reset the shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.